From trailblazing filmmaker and powerhouse CEO Will Packer, the visionary behind Straight Outta Compton and Girls Trip, comes Who Better Than You, a bold, inspiring audiobook designed to empower anyone ready to take control of their career and life. Once you start listening, you'll want every insight, story, and lesson at your fingertips. You know Will Packer's movies. From Stomp the Yard to Ride Along to Girls Trip, his films have grossed over $1 billion at the box office, including 10 films that opened at #1. But beyond the numbers, Packer made his mark by bringing authentically diverse stories to the big screen, stories that Hollywood had long overlooked. To outsiders, Packer's relentless hustle and unapologetic confidence may seem bold, even arrogant. To him, it was the only way to succeed on his terms. In Who Better Than You, he shares the toolkit he wished he had when he was starting out. Stories from the front lines of Hollywood, reflections on leadership, business, audacity, and legacy, all designed to help you manifest your own success. Whether you're aiming for the writer's room, the boardroom, or building your own path, this audiobook delivers. Practical lessons on business, leadership, and career growth. Stories of resilience, audacity, and seizing opportunity. Encouragement to trust yourself and claim the success you deserve. As Kevin Hart says, I became a student and learned from the way he was moving. The man helped me grow and gave me the knowledge. Now Will Packer is offering the same guidance to you. Start the full audiobook now. The free audiobook link is in the description. Press play and discover how to take charge of your career, believe in yourself, and create a legacy that's entirely your own.